Okay.
Look,
Wait,
what is this?
you gotta get off the table.
You hit me with the
Mommy, what? Where did this come from?
This is from Grandma Claire and Papa Jerry.
Oh, fun! This
Move
is
back a
so
little
much
bit.
fun.
What do you think it is?
I think it's some ballet clothes.
You do?
And, oh, a present for Mommy.
Mommy!
Yay.
Not a ballet.
No, no, it's for you too. Hold on. Let me get this out of it. Yay.
Whoa! How exciting!
Awesome. Thanks, Papa Jerry.
Ooh.
Oh, look at
What is that?
Hold it. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Let's open up the bag. Open up the
Look,
bag.
come here. Come here.
Open up the
Here,
bag.
Mia, look.
Open
I
up
know,
the bag.
I know. Look at that. What is that? What'd you
Oh,
get?
my.
It goes in here.
What is that?
Yeah.
Different
how
hairstyles
fun.
we could put it.
Oh, is that so exciting?
Hair barrettes and flower barrettes.
Oh, how fun. Those are cute.
Flower barrettes. Ballet clothes. Ballet clothes. Whoa. Tight.
Oh, look at this skirt.
Skirt.
Oh, I have yours.
Look at that. Is that so exciting?
Hey, one go in my class.
What's in your hair, Mia?
A pink balloon. Could I put it whichever way I want?
Yeah. Here. You have the purple one?
Show me your ballet moves with your little ballet skirt on.
This is my thank you dance.
Kick your bow.
Opening up this hour of afternoon delights. It's 8 minutes after.